How to add tracking number on Depop. First things first is access your Depop account using the website, the official site, or through the mobile app. Now only the administrators and sellers are allowed to do this method. Now for you to be able to have full access on your product catalog or your selling hub, all you have to do is to go to your profile and go to your selling hub. At this time, you'll have to choose on a specific item that you'd like to generate a tracking number. To generate a tracking number, make sure that you have fully processed on the shipping label on those products. Just tap on your products and choose a specific shipping service. And by there, you should be able to generate a tracking number on that shipping service that you choose. So that's how quick and easy you can add a tracking number on the products that you have on Depot.